Second method is preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon. Alkyl halide are formed from saturated as well as unsaturated hydrocarbon. By various reactions, halogenation of alkane is not suitable for preparation of alkyl halide as a mixture of mono and polyhalogen compound is formed. Why this method is not suitable for the formation of alkyl halide? Because I explain with the help of example. Can take here simply propane CH3 CH2 CH3 and do chlorination on propane. Chlorination takes place in presence of sunlight, or you can use here HME radiation. Here two types of carbon there. This both carbon are same, but this carbon is different. That means here two types of carbon. Here substitution takes place. You can simply replace this hydrogen atom by halogen or this hydrogen atom by halogen. That's why here two products form. Here not get only single products. I can simply remove this hydrogen or this hydrogen atom by Cl. So what will you get? CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl, or I can also replace this hydrogen atom by Cl. CH3 CH Cl CH3. Here two product get here. Not only single product get here. That's why halogenation of hydrocarbon, it is not suitable method for the preparation of alkyl halide. You can also take here one more example. I can take methane and do chlorination. Reaction takes place in presence of light, sunlight or HME radiation. Hydrogen is replaced by, one hydrogen atom is replaced by Cl. Byproduct is HCl. Again continuous this reaction takes place. Again hydrogen is replaced by, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one Cl. One hydrogen atom is replaced by one Cl. Again byproduct is HCl. Again you can do chlorination. Again one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom. Byproduct is same, HCl. Do chlorination again. See, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one Cl. A formation of CTC means carbon tetrachloride. Here get polyhalogenated product. Here not get pure product. That's why this method is not suitable for the formation of the alkyl halide. From saturated compound you can simply prepare but not get pure product. Then next from, I already told here, from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here unsaturated hydrocarbon. So you can prepare from unsaturated hydrocarbon like alkenes. You already learned this point, addition of hydrogen halide to alkene in 11th standard. Addition of hydrogen halide to alkene in 11th standard book. Refer 11th standard textbook, chapter number 15 and section is 15.2.4. This point you already discussed in 11th standard textbook in previous year, but I again explain it. Addition of hydrogen halide to alkene. I can simply take here ethene plus added hydrogen halide. Halogen I can take here fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. What happened? This alkene is symmetrical. alkene is what? Symmetrical. I can simply pass the plane from this double bond. You get here symmetry. That's why both carbon are same. Hydrogen attached to this carbon or this carbon, or X attached to this carbon or this carbon, because both the carbon are same. Your product is CH3 CH2X. But when unsymmetrical alkene is used, and you simply added HBr, at that time both the carbon A and B are different. So different two types of carbon atom. That's why you get here two different products. So one is major and another is minor. Why these things happen? First, I can Br attached to this A carbon and hydrogen attached to this B carbon. Double bond get converted into single bond. Br attached to A carbon and hydrogen attached to B carbon. After the addition of HBr, double bond get converted into single bond. I simply Br attached to the A carbon and hydrogen attached to the B carbon. आता याच्या अपोजिट करूया. Br जो आहे तो B कार्बनला अटॅच करूया आणि हायड्रोजन A कार्बनला अटॅच करूया. तर काय मिळेल? CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. तर आता याच्यामध्ये हा जो प्रोडक्ट असणार आहे हा मेजर असणार आहे आणि हा प्रोडक्ट हा मायनर असणार आहे. तर मेजर म्हणजे तुम्हाला 80% प्रोडक्ट मिळेल, इथे 20% मिळेल. हा जो प्रोडक्ट आहे हा आहे आयसोप्रोपिल ब्रोमाइड किंवा 2 नंबरिंग शिकवलेला आहे, ऑलरेडी आपण डिस्कस केलेला आहे. तर नोमेनक्लेचर देताना आपण कार्बनची लॉंगेस्ट चेन सिलेक्ट करतो. तसंच मी कार्बनची लॉंगेस्ट चेन एकच आहे, स्ट्रेट चेन 1 2 3. सेकंड कार्बन वरती Br आहे म्हणून 2 ब्रोमो. हाऊ मेनी कार्बन लेफ्ट? 3. दॅट्स वाय 2 ब्रोमो प्रोपेन. बट इन सेकंड केस here give the numbering from this side because the Br attached to that carbon which carry less number. That's why I have given numbering from this side, Br side, and its name is 1 bromo propane. But in this case this is major and this is minor. You refer book 11 standard textbook chapter 15 and section is 15.2.4 and tell me why two different products get here. You know that because there are two different types of carbon there, that's why you got different products. But why this is major and why this is minor, you refer this textbook 11 chemistry and tell me what is the reason and send me answer or explanation in our Royal Education group. If you are not understand, then I will explain it